Yeah, I've been looking for someone to tell me how to create or to use or what are the shortcuts to change the brush size. So I'm gonna show you in this video because I know how now. So on macOS and even on your Windows machine, we can press the bracket, open and close bracket, but press B first for the brush tool. And if you press the bracket, you can, change the size up, down. Just gonna have to press the bracket. So these are the keys you have to click on. This right over here, and this way you'll change the brush size. But the other keys that I use probably more than ever are the control and option. So if you press the control and option, I don't know why that turns like this. So yeah, control and option, and if you press control and option, now when I press control and option, this one is really powerful. So I can change the size if when I hold control and option. So back I do change here, I mean it's very very powerful like this. And also when you're doing that, you can also go up and down to change the hardness. That's why I like this more this strategy, let's say strategy, because it's really fast, and also I can change the hardness. All right, that's the main reason. Now on Mac or in for Windows users, you're gonna have to use Control Alt right click and drag. For Mac is Control Option drag. Control Option drag and up and down hardness. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful and you learned something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. If you have suggestions for the next Photoshop tutorial, let me know in the comment section.